almost past the halfway of the Ingleton Waterfall trail. So now we are exactly sitting very close to one of the cafe. They provide lots of stops over here for the refreshing stuff. It's a really good locations to eat. It's a fantastic tiny cafe. Over here we have got the toilet facilities as well. So in case something if you are worrying about that, so that's there. It's here. It's very neat and clean, tidy. Fantastic locations. Now we are going to cover the rest of the half of the park.